tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Out of This World. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, the items you're going to have to collect are going to be diamonds as well as meteors. What you're going to have to do is whenever you see a diamond or a meteor, you're going to have to tap it. And every time you tap it, you go in and collect it, okay? They're going to be scattered through all the screen, so your job is to quickly maneuver and touch them, okay? They are worth points, so the more you actually touch, the more points you get as well. So stay tuned and we'll get to this activity in just a moment.